Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.
I wanted to talk about this UNT Ready for Takeoff. This is a peelable base coat that you can put on your nails. Takes about 5 minutes to dry, 5 to 7 minutes. Just depends on room temperature. And when you put it on, I did that. This is the second day I've had them on. Actually, today I put on some jeans and one of them did peel off. So right now I'm just gonna see if I can peel another one off in front of y'all on the camera, just to let you see what it's all about. Just that simple. Just that simple. And you can redo your nails as often as you like. I'm doing this because I'm on my natural nail journey, so that's what I'll be rocking from now on. And I don't want the polish to stay on forever, and I don't want to have to soak my nails continuously, because I do have, nail polishes coming in frequently that I use and I want to share with y'all. So that is what it is. Boom. And thanks for watching, beautiful babes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please, if you thought this was very interesting, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. And always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now.